Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Changing the font style in Google Messages is a great way to customize your texting experience. You can change how your text looks by adjusting your phone settings or using simple shortcuts. First, let's look at changing the system-wide font. Open your phone settings app. Scroll down and tap on Display. Look for a section called Font Size and Style. Here you can choose a new font from the list. You can also download new fonts if your phone supports it. Once you select a new font, it will change across your whole device including Google Messages. Next, you can change the text size directly inside the Message app. Open a conversation in Google Messages. Use 2 fingers to pinch the screen. Spread your fingers apart to make the text larger. Pinch them together to make the text smaller. This is a quick way to see your messages better. You can also use basic formatting for individual words. To make a word bold, put an asterisk before and after the word. For example, type *hello* to see it turn bold. To make a word italic, use an underscore before and after the text. Type _hello_ to see the change. You can also use a tilde for strike-through text. These shortcuts help you emphasize certain words in your chats. Finally, you can enable high contrast text in your accessibility settings. This makes the text stand out more against the background. Open Settings and search for high contrast. Toggle the switch to turn it on. These simple steps give you more control over your messaging style.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.